Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square Station. This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Watch your step. Those who continue along with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
You over here to do?
As you arrive at New Orleans Station, the train seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. We're on the station stop for New Orleans Square. Be sure little ones are seated on the rocker on the seats away from the train entrance. Our next stop is Toontown Depot.
I don't know if this is any
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños.
Now we're in Splash Mountain, rumored to be the location of the one and only Laughing Place. And look real hard, you just might know it. It's where the critters are celebrating Secret Utah Day. Speaking of critters, this place we're passing over is home to a whole bunch of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear on their fun-filled adventures. As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, we're now joining up with the Rivers of America and entering the frontiers that looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman sharing the story of those in the Great River Valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop. Remember your personal belongings, then step carefully from the train. Have fun, and say hi to Mickey and Minnie for me. Those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is Toontown Depot, Mickey's Toontown.
As you arrive at Toontown Depot, please remain seated as the train comes to a full complete stop. Toontown Depot, your stop photo is smaller than Fantasyland. Unfortunately, Mickey's Toontown will be closed for the remainder of the year. Welcome aboard the Excursion 3, everyone. For your own safety, please remain seated while the train is in motion. And please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, and heads inside at all times. Parents and guardians, please supervise your children. Make sure the little ones are seated on your lap or on the seat and away from the train entrance. Our next stop is Tomorrowland Station. Once again, everyone, please remain seated while the train is in motion.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto its small world below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. Steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star steamers, submarines and astroblasters, and if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail and us are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun.
As you arrive at Tomorrowland Station, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. This is Tomorrowland Station, your stop forward to Tomorrowland. The Excursion 3, everyone. For your own safety, please remain seated while the train is in motion. And please, keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, and heads inside at all times. As guardians, please supervise your children. Make sure the little ones are seated on your lap or on the seat and away from the train entrances. Our next stop is Main Street Station, but before we get there, we will be passing through the Grand Canyon and going back in time to the primeval world. As we do so, please refrain from any flash photography and video lighting. And if you have any light-up toys, accessories, or lightsabers, make sure we have them turned off until we reach Main Street Station.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
Unscheduled stop. Please remain seated. This is our unscheduled stop. Did you know those were real dinosaurs? They're real Disneyland dinosaurs. As we arrive at Main Street Station, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Main Street Station is number Main Street, USA, and Cardinal. Please be advised Main Street Station does not have an access route. If you're wheelchair or stroller, we recommend having them forward until you reach the bottom of the stairs.